Rapids, you have a motor vehicle accident, possibly with injuries. Tonawanda Creek Road at Rapids Road. Tonawanda Creek at Rapids, 2 vehicles, side impact collision, 1 possible female injury. Vehicle believed to be smoking. Use FD Tech 2 on scene. Repeating to Rapids, motor vehicle accident, possibly with injuries. Tonawanda Creek Road and Rapids Road. Tonawanda Creek and Rapids, a side impact collision with 2 vehicles involved, 1 female possibly injured. Vehicle believed to be smoking. A BLS priority response is recommended. Use FD Tech 2 on scene. Fire control clear 1729.